Recently, I ventured bravely and briefly beyond the door of my office and in fact my home to the GameMaker Meetup in London. This is a regularly occurring meetup for both users of GameMaker and game makers in general. Good drinks, good company, and some high quality talks from a wide variety of game creators. This meetup is the first one since the great before times. Had some awesome talks, all of which will soon be coming to this channel. There was a talk from Russell K at GameMaker going over the roadmap, near and far future of GameMaker itself, with some cool sneak peeks of upcoming editor overhauls and cool new features. A talk from Juju Adams, creator of many GameMaker games and libraries, on how to live update included files and game data while your game is running. And a talk from Matthew Morris of Machinations on their game logic simulation tool and how you can use it to simulate, predict, and perfect your game balance, economies, and more. All of these talks will be coming very soon to my channel, and I intend right now to keep doing this for future meetups. So I really do recommend, if you have the opportunity, to get yourself down to one of these. It's a great chance to meet other developers, meet members of the GameMaker team, give them your feedback, get inspired, learn some new stuff, and work out how to take your skills to that next level. Another one is happening on the 12th of July in Brighton. Information in the description. These events are not run by GameMaker, but they do attend and support it. But since the acquisition of GameMaker by Opera, there's been a lot more interest than, well, just money thrown at these events by the team, so it seems like they're only going to get bigger and better. I will personally be doing a to be announced talk at the next event, so if you want to meet me for some reason, I'll be at the next one. It also lines up with Develop Brighton, so if you're going to that, you can go to this. It's a whole other UK games event thing. Or if you go into this, you can go to that. I don't know, whichever way around. Cheers for listening all. It'll be cool to see some of you at the meetups. For the rest of you, I hope you enjoy the talks. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. I really recommend checking those out. And if you can't wait, I have a playlist full of all the talks of all the previous GameMaker meetups, and those are all loads of really cool stuff as well. There'll probably be a link up here. Yeah, go check out the talk Juju Adams did last time. I Love Data. That's a really good one. The sequel to which is his talk at the last event. So you can look forward to that. Thanks everyone, and thank you for watching all the way to the end. I'll catch you all next time.